Welcome back to Ingenious Accounts World. Check received. Instead of cash, sometimes we will receive check from our debtors. Normally, we will deposit these checks into the bank either on the same day or on a later date. It is also possible to endorse these checks to our creditors. Then what will be the journal entry? That we can discuss today. First case, check received from debtors and deposited into bank on the same day. Check received and deposited into the bank both happen on the same day. Then one entry is enough. We have deposited the check into the bank. The bank balance increased. Bank balance is an asset. Here the asset increased. Then debit asset account. Here debit bank account. And we have received the check from debtors. So the debtors balance reduced or asset decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit debtors account. Then the journal entry bank account debtor to debtors account. Check received and deposited into bank. Now the second case. Check received from debtors. Only that. No more information on that day. In such cases, first we have to check whether there is any information about that check in the subsequent dates. Then there are two possibilities. No further information and there is some information. If there is no further information about that check in the subsequent dates also, then it is assumed that the check has been deposited into bank on the same day when it was received. That means check received and deposited into bank on the same day. Then the journal entry will be the same as before. That is bank account debtor to debtors account. Check received and deposited into bank. Then in the second case, that is if there is some information about that check in the subsequent dates, then that means that check is in our hand. So we have to record it. Then in such cases, when the check is received on that date, we have received the check. Check is an asset. Here the check in hand increased or asset increased. Then debit asset account. Here debit check in hand account. And we have received the check from debtors. So the debtors balance reduced or asset decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit debtors account. So check in hand account debtor to debtors account. And debiting check in hand is the latest practice. Previously we used to debit cash in hand instead of check in hand by considering check received as cash received. But now we are debiting check in hand. And if we are depositing this check into the bank at a subsequent date, when the same check was deposited into the bank at a subsequent date, then the bank balance will increase. Bank balance will increase, then debit bank account. Bank balance is an asset. Here the asset increased, then debit asset account. Here debit bank account. And we have deposited the check. So the check in hand reduced or asset decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit check in hand account. So bank account debtor to check in hand account. Check deposited into bank. And sometimes we will not deposit this check into the bank. Instead, we can endorse this check to our creditors. Then in such cases, if we are endorsing this check to our creditors, we have endorsed the check to creditors. So the creditors balance reduced or the liability decreased. Then debit liability account. Here debit creditors account. And we have endorsed the check. So the check in hand reduced or asset decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit check in hand account. So creditors account debtor to check in hand account. Check endorsed to creditors. Okay. These are all about check received. Now if we are issuing check or if we are making payments by check, for example, salary paid by check. Salary is an expense. Here the expense increased. Then debit expense account. Here debit salary account. Here the salary paid by check. So the bank balance reduced or asset decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit bank account. Then salary account debtor to bank account. Salary paid by check. Okay. That's all for today. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.